If you want to retire early to do some traveling or to spend quality time with your family, you'll need to create a plan that will result in you becoming financially independent. Welcome back to another episode of Living Fire. If you never want to miss an upload, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Staying out of debt and building your net worth are two actions that can help you gain financial independence and increase your chances of successfully retiring early. Gaining financial stability requires patience. You need to learn how to effectively manage your money and create passive income streams. Here are the retirement strategies you need to achieve financial independence. How to become financially independent to retire early. It may seem difficult, but with lots of preparation and making some lifestyle and mindset changes, you can retire early and comfortably. Start with envisioning what you would like your future to look like. Long-term thinking. Calculate your retirement needs. To answer the question, when can I retire? You'll need to first calculate your retirement needs, as this number is different for everyone. You might need to consult a financial planner to discuss retirement goals, or use a financial planning app or another resource with a basic formula that takes into account your current annual spending, income, and year you want to retire. It is recommended to multiply your annual spending figure by between 20 and 30 to figure out your retirement needs. You could also use an online retirement planning calculator to create a forecast. Having a defined number in mind can help you visualize your goal and progress. 3 ways to manage a budget. The key to achieving retirement on your terms is managing your money. Reducing spending and maximizing your income is necessary to have the funds you'll need by the target retirement date. A budget is essential to control your finances. Make sure that your budget includes 2 important factors. Number 1, reducing living expenses. Spending less than you make is the first start toward reaching your financial goals. You'll need to give up bad habits that result in overspending on non-essentials. Unnecessary shopping habits based on convenience, comfort, or just fun are widespread in U.S. society, and spending money in this way is what stands between the average person and true wealth. Do what you must to break habits that are costing you, and optimize your budget and spending to reduce living expenses. Number 2, increasing your income. If you're still living paycheck to paycheck, even after cutting expenses, you'll need to find ways to increase your income so you have money to invest. Whether your goal is to play the stock market or invest in a business venture, there are several ways to generate more income. You could take on a part-time job or do freelance or contract work. There are always opportunities to tutor, mow lawns, sell crafts, and even rent out your car or home. You could also focus on building a side business that can provide income in retirement. Number 3, creating passive income. If you don't see yourself working for a company until you retire, you should explore some other ways to generate income. Building passive income streams, that is, recurring revenue from a business or other endeavor like owning rental properties, keeps money coming in so that you don't have to rely solely on your savings or Social Security benefits. You need to start living a lifestyle in which you're no longer trading time for money. You can create something valuable one time that people will continue to purchase, but generating passive income requires patience as well as work. If you start making money from an online business, generating passive income won't happen overnight, but it will put you on the path to earning revenue from something you created. Number 4, set goals. Once you know how much money you'll need and you have a budget, it's time to set goals that will get you to the financial independence you're in search of. Don't forget to include the following ideas in your goal setting and action plan. Number 5, start investing early. You'll have a better chance of reaching your goals if you begin focusing on your retirement investment when you're young. Even if you think you'll have more money to invest when you're older, don't miss out on the benefits of compound interest on those initial savings contributions now. Make room in your budget for retirement savings contributions so you can start earning compound interest sooner rather than later. For example, reports say that if you save $3,000 per year from the age of 25 to 35 at a 7% annual return, your initial $3,000 investment will grow to $338,000 by the retirement age of 65. Number 6, decrease debt. Getting out of debt by paying off your mortgage, clearing credit card account balances, and paying off loans can help increase your net worth. If your goal is financial freedom, you don't want to be making monthly payments or paying interest on old debts. You should do whatever you can to reduce your debt load and avoid acquiring new debt to keep yourself on track. You might want to consider using a tool like the Debt Payoff Planner app to organize your debt repayment plan. Number 7, visualize first, then plan. Start by considering what your vision of financial independence actually looks like. and then get a reality check. Qualified financial experts can examine your current financial circumstances, listen to what financial independence means to you, and help you craft a plan. The path to financial independence may be considerably different at age 20 than it is at age 50. The more time you have to save and invest generally produces a better outcome. But at any age, start with a realistic picture of your options. Number 8, budgeting. The process of tracking income, subtracting expenses, and deciding how to divert the difference to your goals each month is the essential first task of personal finance. If you haven't learned to budget, you need to do so. Number 9, spend less than you earn. It might be obvious, but it's one of the most difficult financial behaviors to execute. Adhering to a lower standard of living and expenses will help you put more money into savings and investments sooner. Number 10, build smarter safety nets. Emergency funds and insurance are rarely discussed in combination. The traditional definition of an emergency fund is a separate account for cash that can be used instead of credit to repair a broken appliance or other expense that may run a few $100s. However, many people keep insurance deductibles high to keep premiums low. Would you have enough cash on hand to cover an insurance deductible if you had a sudden claim? If not, build your deductible amounts into your emergency fund. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode, all about how to become financially independent. Are you on your way to becoming financially independent? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Living Fire for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.